Get your poi, 2 poi. I'm going to use 2 poi now. And again, pick your directions. For me, I've got, well, what's in that? Oh, the dome. That's the dome. Okay, so I've got the dome in that direction. To my right, I've got a big crane. To my left, I've got a big museum. And back here, I've got the video camera. So I need you to pick your things and be consistent with them. That's going to help you. So get your poi flying with me. We're going to face this way. For me, it's the crane. For you, as you practice, pick your consistent thing. So we got the poi going forward towards the crane. Okay, great. Now, in front of us, for me, when I'm facing the dome, I'm going to imagine there's a golf ball between my toes. Then back here, I'm circling away from the museum. So we have the crane. We're coming down the crane towards the crane. There's a golf ball. You can do this with me. There's a golf ball at the toes. Whack the golf ball. Whack the golf ball. Whack the golf ball. You can whack the golf ball, and then you're going away from the museum. So you can put that together like this. We're circling towards the cranes. As the poi are coming down the cranes, all you're going to do is relax and let your body turn towards the museum. You're going to turn all the way, the dome. I'm going to turn all the way to the museum. It's just like I'm going to whack a golf ball and follow through. I'm going to go whack, and I follow through. I turn all the way. And I'm magically going backwards facing the museum. Now, if I hesitate, it's going to go like this. I'm going to whack, eek! If I hesitate, it's going to get all tangled. So what you want to do is really relax and follow through and go whack. And if you're relaxed and your hands stay with your hips, you don't cross your hands or be here. The hands really stay on their own side. You'll turn all the way, whack, and you'll be going backwards. Then you imagine there's a rainbow. So for me, I imagine there's a rainbow going over the dome. I let my hands, as the poi come up the museum, I let my hands and the poi just trace the rainbow, follow a rainbow, and I get all the way back to the cranes. So I can whack a golf ball and follow a rainbow. Whack a golf ball and follow a rainbow. Then I'm going to shift my feet so my toes are pointing towards you. And I'm going to do this now. This is where you need to be consistent. Because if I were to switch directions and practice like this, I'm facing the other direction, but I'm technically practicing the same turn. And I want to practice the other half of the turn. So I'm going down. It doesn't matter which way my feet are facing. My poi are coming down the cranes. I'm going forward towards the cranes. So now I go past the golf ball on your side of the camera, and then I follow a rainbow over the camera. Golf ball past the camera, rainbow over the camera. Shift my feet, golf ball past the dome, rainbow over the dome. Or I can start to do this. Golf ball past the dome, rainbow over the camera. Golf ball past the dome, rainbow over the camera. Golf ball past the camera, rainbow over the dome. Golf ball, rainbow, golf ball, rainbow. Golf ball, rainbow, golf ball, rainbow. It's okay this week if that's a bit awkward. It'll take practice. Ultimately, you'll be able to put them together and go golf ball, rainbow. And that's a full pirouette. Golf ball, rainbow, golf ball, rainbow. You don't have to do that this week. We'll come back to that next week. But if it happens, awesome. This week, I just want to make sure you can do a golf ball and a rainbow, and on the other side, a golf ball and a rainbow. And then a golf ball. Keep turning to the left for a rainbow. Golf ball turning to your right shoulder. Rainbow turning to your right shoulder. And as long as you're consistent, if you keep thinking, okay, there's my landmark, and I'm always going to start forwards towards that landmark, and then I'm going to shift my feet either to turn to my left or to my right. As long as you're starting with that landmark, you will know how to go through all the possibilities. And then we're going to build on that each week, and da-da-da. So I'm hoping that should be working. Usually that works. So if it doesn't work, show me what's happening.